Hello everyone, welcome to Developer channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to enable or disable developer mode in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down. Now go to about phone. Now tap on software information. Here you can see build number and you have to tap on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now draw your pattern. And now you can see developer mode has been enabled. If we go back, at the bottom here you can see developer options. Now if you want to disable it, you need to go settings app again. Now tap on developer options and from here you can disable it by tapping here. And now developer mode has been disabled. And that is how you can enable or disable developer mode in your Samsung A25 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.